Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back out at the wood yard. We're gonna split some wood. I got the little Kubota out here, as you can see. We've got the bucket loaded. I'm gonna pull that up into about where you guys are, and processor's just off to the left here, and see if this will pick it up, and then we'll get you up in there, get them blocks up in there so I don't have to carry them so dang far and get them off the ground. So let's get started. That's about as far as she's gonna go. Alright, let's get things fired up. All right, just like that, we got our trough. All right, let's get this unloaded. take these off. I don't need these. Little 80s hair metal for you today. You know, because I wanted to rock this stuff out today. Get it? A lot of cherry in here today, by golly. I like that cherry. It smells good. And they're tote full. Couple more pieces down here. Piece here ought to be resplit. Right down there. Looking good. Started re-splitting a lot more of this because it just, there's so many big chunks. I don't want to have a bunch of big chunks to try to put in the fireplace. Few's okay because then they burn all night, but most of the time we'd like to be able to fit some in there. Stay. Gonna have to get rid of this scrap pile pretty soon. It'll be quite a pile. Whew. Hear that? Acorns hitting the shelter, man. The acorns are just thicker than snot around here this year. Walk around out here and just get bombed with them. Boy, that stuff's heavy. We're just being little pieces. It's just wetter than wet yet. Been sitting out here for a year now, probably. Just about a year. Wet, wet, heavy, wet. Get it split, stack it up. It'll dry. Yep. Looking pretty good. Need to get me a firewood stacker. That's what I need. Somebody to stand down here and just stack firewood. Yeah, I don't know. Probably not. Just do it yourself, then it's done right. Little piece. Oops. Looking good, looking good. Piece, and that's good enough. One down here. Oh my goodness. One over here. Come here. Yeah, looking good. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it. These big old blocks are hard to lift, and I'm an old man, you know. I can't keep up with them young kids anymore, so we're gonna take a little rest and we'll come back to that project another day. We did get just about 3/4 of a basket here full today though, so that ain't too bad, I guess. What else? Oh, Paul Bunyan next weekend. We'll see you there if you're going. So, looking pretty forward to that. And, yeah, I guess that's about it for this week. Appreciate ya, and we'll catch you on the next one.